Welcome guys to a new episode of DivByDiv. Today we are gonna create a React application with TypeScript. Before we start, if this is the first time that you come in this channel, my name is Andrea and my goal is to teach you all the tips and tricks around web development that I learned during my career. So if you like to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, so when you create a React application, you need to have installed in your computer Node. So if you didn't, just go to nodejs.org and download the latest Node version. After that, you can open your terminal, create a folder for your project, and then simply run npx create react app, my app, which is the name of your app, but you can call it as you want it. And then you need to add --template and TypeScript. Then you just click enter and you let it run so that it creates the project for you. Cool, now that the project has been initialized, we just need to cd in our folder, in my case is the my app, and then we can run just npm start and our application is gonna start to run in our browser. Cool, as you see here we have our React application and here is also printing out app.tsx because it's been set up in TypeScript rather than JSX. But to be sure, let's go and open the folder with VS Code. So let's open another tab here and let's do code and we're gonna open this project so that we're gonna check if all the files are in TypeScript. Okay, now that we have our project open in VS Code, we can see that we have a tsconfig, that is the file where we configure TypeScript. And then we have in our source folder our app.tsx and also our index.tsx. From now on, you can write new components using TypeScript and you can start to build more robust code. If you want to check out more information about create a React app, here is where there are the instructions using npx as we did in this project, or by using yarn. This is going to be up to you, and there are options to add TypeScript when you create a React application, or how to convert an existing React application by adding the support for TypeScript, so that you can transition from JSX to TypeScript progressively without any issue. I will add the link to the documentation in the description below. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to know more about web development, feel free to subscribe to this channel. I want to say an extra thanks in this video to all of you guys that are following me and to the ThinkMedia team, since I just came out from a challenge that they launched this week. And they gave to me and other creators a lot of good tips on how to grow their channel and achieve the 1000 subscribes and more. So I want just to say thank you for that. If you want to check out their channel, just go to YouTube and look for ThinkMedia, and I will add the link also to the description below in this video. Alright, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Happy coding!